Welcome to the city of Waterfalls. This is in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. I will take you through some of the more popular waterfalls. The first waterfall we'll be visiting is Tiffany Falls, which is in Ancaster. The parking lot is 500 meters from the waterfall. This is a 21-meter tall cascading falls. Nearby is Sherman Falls. You can either hike from Tiffany Falls to here, or you could just bring your car around to a nearby parking lot. The waterfall is a 17-meter high curtain waterfall. Next up, we are in Oak Knoll Park, and not too far from here is Buttermilk Waterfall. Some days you will see these waterfalls come out dry, and other days there will be plenty of water. It is a terraced ribbon waterfall that is 23 meters high. Not too far from there is Albion Falls. It is a 19-meter cascade waterfall. Years ago, we were able to hike down to the bottom of the falls. However, that has since changed due to safety. There are viewing platforms. Next up is Felker's Fall. On this day, there wasn't a lot of water. Next up is Smokey Hollow Falls. This is in Waterdown. It is a 10-meter waterfall, and the water flows down into Grindstone Falls. Finally, Shaver Falls, which is not too far from Tiffany Falls, was waterless. Sometimes Google Maps is not accurate, so you can find out answers through YouTube.